Ready for dictation? 3, 2, 1, start. The present special appeal has been filed against the judgment and order dated 21/10/2019, passed in writ number 37611 of 2002 bracket start Rajiv Kumar Singh versus Director General oblique RPF and others bracket clause, whereby the writ petition has been allowed and the orders dated 22/7/2002 and 12/4/2001, which were under challenge therein, have been set aside. Stop. A preliminary objection has been raised by the learned senior counsel appearing for the respondent petitioner that the special appeal is not maintainable as per the provisions contained under Chapter 8, Rule 5 of the Allahabad High Court Rules bracket start Rules of the Court 1952 bracket clause, inasmuch as the writ petition had been filed seeking to challenge the order of termination against the petitioner, as also the orders passed in appeal and revision under the statutory rules. Stop. Para. The provision with regard to filing of an intra-court appeal under the rules of the court 1952 is contained under Chapter 8, Rule 5 of the aforementioned rules, and the same is as follows. Stop. Para. An appeal shall lie to the court from a judgment bracket start not being a judgment passed in the exercise of appellate jurisdiction bracket clause in respect of a decree or order made by a court subject to the superintendence of the court and not being an order made in the exercise of revisional jurisdiction or in the exercise of its power of superintendence or in the exercise of criminal jurisdiction or in the exercise of jurisdiction conferred by Article 226 or Article 227 of the Constitution in respect of any judgment, order, or award within bracket A of a tribunal, court, or statutory arbitrator made or purported to be made in the exercise or purported exercise of jurisdiction under any Uttar Pradesh Act or under any central act with respect to any of the matters enumerated in the state list or the concurrent list in the 7th schedule to the constitution or within bracket B of the government or any officer or authority made or purported to be made in the exercise or purported exercise of appellate or revisional jurisdiction under any such act of one judge. Stop. The rule provides for certain specified exclusions whereunder a special appeal would not lie from a judgment of one judge of this court. Stop. The exclusions under Chapter 8, Rule 5 of the Rules of the Court 1952 were considered in the case of Vajra Yojana Seed Farm and others versus Presiding Officer Labor Court 2 and others, and it was held as under. Stop. Over.